What's the meaning of cannon fodder? Cannon fodder. Cannon fodder.
Cannon fodder. Cannon fodder. Cannon fodder is a term used to describe soldiers who are regarded as expendable in warfare. The phrase suggests that such soldiers are mere pawns to be sacrificed in order to achieve strategic objectives. The result of treating soldiers as cannon fodder can be devastating, both for the individuals involved and for society at large. Such an approach devalues human life, undermines morale, and can lead to needless suffering, injury, and loss of life. It is important to recognize the sacrifices made by those who serve in the armed forces and to work towards creating a more just and peaceful world.